Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make quesadilla sauce. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 3 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos, plus 2 tablespoons of their brine. Also, have your spices ready for later steps. Next, let's create the creamy base. In a blender or food processor, combine your mayonnaise, sour cream, and the 2 tablespoons of jalapeno brine. Blend these ingredients until they are perfectly smooth and creamy. This step is crucial for achieving the signature consistency of the sauce. Now it's time to infuse that signature flavor. Add your 3 tablespoons of diced pickled jalapenos to the creamy base. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin, paprika, and garlic powder. Blend everything together until the jalapenos are finely minced and the sauce is completely smooth. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. For the best flavor, transfer your finished quesadilla sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve this creamy, tangy sauce with your favorite quesadillas, tacos, or even as a dip. It's incredibly versatile. Before you go, remember to check the description below for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.